Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I just wanted to do a quick project share, and I want to say that this is not my idea. This actually came from Natasha, who is here on YouTube, and her YouTube channel is called Treasured Books. And project share that I'm going to share is actually for an upcoming swap that I am involved in, and it's over on Facebook. So let me go ahead and show you. So here is what I made, and these are some oversized large buttons, and I did use this right here is some scrap paper. It is not cardstock, and then in here it is actually like cereal boxes or this, whatever boxes that you have. They're really great to use for that. And here is another one that I did, and I do not have the larger crocodile that I could get in there, so I didn't put any eyelets in there. And then I put some yarn right there, and I put yarn here as well. And for the edges, just to give it some color, I actually used some acrylic paint, and I just used my finger to rub it on. And then here is the next one, and like I said, these are pretty thick, so they can be used. And this right here was cardstock. This was a digital paper that I had printed up, and this is what they look like. And I just tied the back over in the yarn. So these could be used in multiple ways, and she does have uses for them. And here is this one, and again, I just went in with some acrylic paint just to do the edges, and this is what this one looks like. And this one did have some cardstock, and again, in between it just had like some cereal boxes. So these are my project share, and I will include Natasha's tutorial on how to make these and also on how she used them. That way you can hop on over to her channel and check out the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.